What's up, everybody? It's Amtrak fan, back for another video. Recently, I found a video of a cool spot to rail fan, Folkston, Georgia. It's one of the great spots to rail fan, and CSX, freight trains, goes there in a day. You probably wonder where I learned that from. I found it on YouTube from a YouTuber named Distant Signal. He's a nice guy. He films trains in Florida. But I'm gonna tell you something about Folkston. They got something cool there, like they got some CSX freight trains there. Normally 50 go through Folkston a day. That depends on train traffic. Also, they got a railside lodgings like a caboose. It's a railside lodging and a peaks cabin, and there's one called crew quarters. And there's there's a railroad park, like you see trains passing by. It's got some picnic tables, and it's got a grill in the park and a top roof for the shade of Orlando. Yeah. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna be out in Folkston, Georgia for rail fanning. Yeah. So let's go to Folkston, Georgia. We just arrived to the airport, and we are going to have fun in Folkston, Georgia. I got a friend who's coming, ZWM Rail Fan. He's my friend, and he and I go to rail fan together in Folkston. So we're about to go on the plane soon, and we'll be on our way. We boarded on the plane, and we're on the way to Folkston, Georgia. But the plane was heading from Houston to Jacksonville. We had to get to Jacksonville first, and then we go to Folkston. We just got out of the plane, and we're in the baggage claim waiting for our luggage, and we're getting our rental car. Just left the airport, and we're on our way to Folkston, Georgia. Great spots to rail fan. Alright, everyone, this is our railside lodging and a caboose. We got excited for this. Let's go outside and see some trains. This is Folkston, Georgia. One of the greatest hot spots to rail fan. There's a caboose we're staying, and it's a cabin. My friend is staying in this cabin, and I'm staying in a caboose with my mom. So this is gonna be so fun. I heard something about a CSX intermodal train. It's the IO37. So that's gonna be our first one. Let's go catch it. There's a signal that's getting a yellow over flashing green. Approach limited. Approaching next signal, not exceeding limited speed. There's no freight train coming. It's the Amtrak.
Well, I'm not sure.
Huh. The Amtrak is
I'll check it for you. He's just about to hit Callahan.
That's Amtrak 98.
Yes, Amtrak 98.
That must have PO 98. So that's our first train. This is our first train. This is CSX IO37 and southbound intermodal train. Pinoco Yard, Charlotte, North Carolina to Moncrief Yard, Jacksonville. So this is my first train of the CSX intermodal train, the IO37. Hopefully we'll get some more soon. Amtrak 98, Amtrak Silver Medal, northbound Amtrak from Miami, Florida to New York City. CSX M222, a northbound all-rack freight train from Baldwin, Florida to Boys Yard, Birmingham, Alabama. Okay, that train was M222. We saw the intermodal train IO37. We saw Amtrak 98, and we saw M222. It's slowing down, I believe. There could be something else coming south. We'll find out if that's true or not. So, let's go wait for it.
Approach limited downtown Folkston.
Amtrak Auto Train 52 heading north from Sanford, Florida to Lorton, Virginia. I've never seen an Amtrak Auto Train before, so this is my first Amtrak Auto Train. Headlight!
You get the coat. Look at it! It's not moving.
It is. Yes, it is.
No. It's moving.
Okay, everyone, thank you for watching this video. Make sure y'all leave a comment down below and click like. Got more Folkston train videos coming up soon. Goodbye. Amtrak fan out.